Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 every 30 minutes using PayPal. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe right now and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And also don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And I'm not going to stop there. I'm doing this every time I get 1,000 new subscribers. So once I get to 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some money. Then once I get to 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some more money. And the amount of money that I'm going to give away will be higher. And that also means more people will get a chance, because the higher I get, the more money I can give out to people that leaves a comment and keep watching my videos. So it's beneficial for you guys to subscribe right now. Drop that comment down, hashtag get your grind on. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. So please watch this all the way to the very end, because there's some steps you're gonna have to take. And if you don't watch it all the way through and you only get one step, you're not gonna know what to do for the next step to get this $100 every 30 minutes. So please watch this all the way to the very end. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is offervault, and it's an affiliate marketer website. So what you're gonna do once you come to this website, you're gonna go ahead and type in PayPal gift card, and it's going to give you these results right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on here where it says win a PayPal gift card US, because I'm in the US, but they got other countries that are available too on here. So when I click on here, it's going to take you to this page. And for each lead that clicks on this link, because you're going to receive a link once you join the network, you're going to get a link to promote. And when they click on, when your customers or when your leads click on their link, you're going to receive $2.40. So let me just show you how the page look. So this is the landing page. So when you promote this link and they click on there, this is what they're going to see: win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card. And they put in their email right here. All right, let's just go back here. And so, like I said before, you need to join the network. So just click on here. It's going to take you to this page. All you got to do is put in your contact information, name, email, legal entity type. Let's click on there. See, if you don't have a company or partnership or sole proprietorship, you just click on the visual, and right here you can just put your name, or if you have a website, put that there, put the name of your website, and your URL for your website, address and everything. And down here, where it says describe the sites and method used to advertise, that's when you're going to put what sites you're going to be using to advertise, which I'm going to tell you in a minute. So let's just go back to this page here. So you're probably wondering where we're going to get these leads from. Well, let me go to the next site. And it's a very, very popular site, probably the most popular site in the world that we're going to use to draw leads. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. All right, I'm at Facebook. You probably guessed it. So, so when you get to Facebook, what we're going to do is type in Make Money Online groups. So this is the group that I went ahead and saw and clicked on, which is Make Money Online Club. So once you join this club here, once you join this website, once you join this group here, and when you see some posts on this group, you're not going to just spam your link. But what you're going to do is look for a post that has a lot of comments. Okay, so you're just going to look for a comment. You're just going to look for a post that has some comments on it. And then when you click in there, you're going to go ahead and respond to a comment. And you're going to go ahead and put what you're advertising in there, but you're not going to put the link. You're going to just say, hey, would you like to win $1,000 PayPal gift card? And then say, if you're interested, please send me a message. That's all you have to do. Once they send that message to you on your Facebook page or Facebook Messenger, you just respond back with the link. It's simple as that. Okay, now there's another method you can use to draw leads. So the next method you can use is YouTube. Let me just go back to this page right here. So you can use YouTube. And all you got to do is make a video, and the video all you do is use your phone or screenshot this page right here and make a video out of it on YouTube. And you can have a voiceover in the background just saying, win a $1,000 PayPal gift card right now. Link is in the description. That's it. So that can last 30 seconds to a minute. And they're going to check it out. They're going to go in the description, click on the link, put their email in there. Boom. Another $2.40. So that's the steps that you can take, guys, to make $100 in 30 minutes. So go ahead and join offervault, get that link, and start making this money. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start making this $100 every 30 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with that network. Follow those steps. Use Facebook. Make a YouTube video. And start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes. I know I ask this in every video. I'm still waiting to get 50 likes because the more likes I get, it's gonna really, really help my video to get out there to people, because I want to get it out there to a lot of people. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm I'm probably like 400 subscribers away. So help me to get there, guys. And please share this all around the internet, because my goal is to help as many people I can become their own boss and become financially free. It's 2020 and it's time to become your own boss, guys, and not rely on other companies or the government or whatever. You just need to rely on yourself, because you have the potential to become your own boss and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, again, I always say this, but thank you. I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Keep checking me out, and I'm gonna keep delivering this content every other day. All right, one more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.